If you're experiencing login errors on Spotify, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check your username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you're using the correct login information. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Update the Spotify app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Spotify app. Go to your device's App Store, search for Spotify, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs that may cause login issues. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you're using the Spotify app, clearing the cache and data can help resolve login problems. Go to your device's settings, find the Spotify app, and select the option to clear cache and data. After that, try logging in again. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it. Sometimes, these services can interfere with your connection to Spotify's service, causing login errors. Once disabled, attempt to log in again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Spotify. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Spotify's customer support for further assistance.